2025 is the year of agents. What that really means that in the year 2025, we are seeing tremendous integration of generative AI agents with a lot of customer-facing applications. Some examples are, of course, when you go into Gmail, it says try Gemini at the top right corner, which can help you write, and it can also help you articulate your text better. It can help you organize your emails. And of course, if you're using the Gem Studio, you can literally create your own agents. Now, for those who are new to the process, let me try to explain what agents really are. Agents are very little bots who are trained or they are created in order to do one task, but do it very well. So if you want an agent to just write your emails in a very specific tone, it's gonna do just that for you. If you want it to clear the clutter in your email, it can do that as well. If you want it to sync with your calendar and find the right time space for you to have a few meetings, it can do that as well. And it can also figure out what's your next best, destination for a vacation based off of your, past. If it has access to, let's say, kayak or your Costco travel, it can very easily figure out what the next destination should be. Now, ever since the advent of ChatGPT in 2022, we have seen that generative AI systems are now capable of doing much more complex tasks. It can not just generate text, it can generate images, it can generate video, it can generate audio, and it can even generate like composites. You can literally just have a few lines and it can, help you ad-lib to certain dialogue. So generative AI has this huge capability of synthesis or generating new text or new content from very little text or prompts, as you may. Now, the very common question that I often get is, how does AI learn new stuff? And this is the channel where I wanted to create this series where I debunk some of the myths or some of the spooky things that AI is starting to show and feel and do. Now, what this ChatGPT, like other generative AI bots, are capable of doing is called knowledge distillation. What knowledge distillation means that it can take content, extract important features from it, and store this information in the textual format. In the same way, now that you have created this chain from, let's say, an image to its features to text, you can go backwards as well. So from the text, now you can go back to images as well. That's the reason why if you go to sophisticated chatbots like Meta AI and ask, generate an image of a lovely day by the beach, it is now able to extract these features that you have entered in text, and it can generate an images because it has learned to generate or synthesize this from its training phase or the training data itself. Now, based off of all of these changes, the whole variety or the whole landscape of products that we so often use is going to drastically change over the coming months. And I wanted to share some of the ways in which I predict or I see some of the incoming trends towards products and how we typically engage with them. So if that's of interest to you, stay tuned. And if you wanted to listen to this keynote stream about generative AI agents and the direction and the quality of products that is incoming, click the link below, link in bio.